Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying which Salesforce edition you are using. Ensure you have administrative access to your Salesforce account. Navigate to your Salesforce dashboard. Locate the setup icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the setup icon to open the setup menu. In the quick find box, type apps and select the App Manager option. In the App Manager, click on New Connected App in the top right corner. Fill in the required fields for the connected app. Enter the connected app name. Provide an API name, which can be a simplified version of the app name. Add a contact email for support inquiries. Scroll down to the API, Enable OAuth Settings section. Check the box to enable OAuth settings. Set a callback URL, which is where your application will receive responses from Salesforce. Define the OAuth scopes required for your app's functionality. Select the appropriate permissions based on your app's needs. Save the connected app configuration. Once saved, take note of your consumer key and consumer secret. These will be necessary for authentication in your integration. Next, go to your integration environment or application. Use the consumer key and consumer secret to authenticate with Salesforce. Implement the OAuth flow based on the authorization grant type you are utilizing. Follow Salesforce's guidelines for the selected OAuth flow. Test the connection to verify that the integration is functioning correctly. Once the connection is successful, you can begin using Salesforce data in your application. Ensure you monitor the API usage and limits set by Salesforce. Review any additional configurations needed for your specific use case. Finalize your application setup and prepare for deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.